What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to restore tires from this to this. All we need is a toothbrush, a piece of soap, a hose and one last thing, a high quality tire wax. Let's get started. Before cleaning your tires you better clean the inside. This can easily be done by using a pressure gun, also possible with a gardening hose by creating a tiny nozzle. After a couple of minutes, that's how it looks like. Let's move for the tires now. All you have to get some soap with the toothbrush just like that and brush the tire wall. Especially you have to move the brush on little drains on the tire wall. If your tires don't have drains, you don't need to worry about that. After few seconds of brushing, you can see how dirty this thing. Once again, clean the toothbrush, get some soap and repeat. Alright, now we can rinse it off and wait some minutes to let it dry. Now our tire is pretty dry and we can apply the wax. Just get some wax to the sponge and apply on the tire. By the way, this is my advice for you. If you are someone who dare to take corners at high speeds, don't apply the wax on the shoulder area, just like I am doing here. In certain conditions, there was a chance to lose the traction and face for terrible situations. So apply the wax on the tire wall, not at the shoulder area. And finally, check this out. It's so beautiful than before. If you want more gloss, you can add another layer later. For me, this is already in a decent shape. And that's how to do it guys. If this video helpful for you, smash the like button and be considered to be a subscriber. Have a good day guys. Take care.